So Ampire is an amp on Studio One, and it's for guitars, obviously. People use them for vocals too, if you want to get like real rocker, experimental with it. But yeah, it does enhance the sound of your guitar no matter the genre. So to get that out the way, yes, this works for every single genre, not just rock. And man, like I got 3 different loops from Studio One because I don't know how to play guitar. So I got like an R&B hip hop type, a straight rock out kind of type, and just a bass right here. So we're about to test the Ampire on all 3 of those. I'm gonna try to be as quick as I can. So let's drag. Actually, before I drag and drop, let me play what I got so far. So we're about to drag and drop over the loop. Over Ampire. And I'm about to just go to a preset. I know it's not a bass guitar. Let's go to clean. And let's just try American Phase. And let's hear the difference. Ooh. Before. After. So, man, that's cleaner than I thought. Okay, all right. So, they got all these knobs down here. Reverb. Let's just play it. I'll turn it down a little bit so y'all can hear me. So, they got reverb, speed, intensity, bass, middle, all these knobs. You can plug in for different volumes, different brightness, more power. So when you plug it in, it goes more power, vibrato. Down here, you got the pedals. And basically, when you're dealing with the pedals, you just click. You can click an empty spot. These are called stomps. So you can click a stomp, and they have MP90 for this preset. And it describes every preset. Every effect. So the MP90 has a classic sound, you know what I'm saying? The big fuzz, distortion, it tells you. The modulation pedal. So if I want to switch to the modulation, I can switch it. There's delay on there. You got the beats with the time set up how you want the timing of the delay for your guitar. The mix, how much of the echo, and then you can add more. Another reverb. Turn up the output. So you can have up to 8 stomps. They have the wah. It's pretty interesting with different presets for that. So, like I said, up to 8. The tube, dreamer, tube driver, tremolo, the chorus effect. So, the equalizer, EQ. So, that's awesome. They have stomps. And again, you can hide it right here. That's pretty lit. The pedal board, you can hide the pedal board. All right. If you click right here, you get different amps. So you can see, and it describes also the amps down here to the right. It won't let me show you right there, but under where it says MCM 800, high gain. That's a bass amp right here, right there. So it tells you. And then if you click the cabinet, you get the other amps, the cabinet amps, and it also describes what they're used for. So that's awesome, man. Studio One did their thing. And then you have mic edit controls. So this thing can be used for vocals, also for guitars and other instruments. And it has a built-in tuner. So, man, that's cool. One of my favorite things on here is I can actually change the background by clicking the Presonus. Man, that's lit. But let's go to a different preset. Charlie Sheen. Nice. Before. After. So it is a unique sound. Let's go to the next one. It's kind of cool, you know what I'm saying, to look at all this stuff, because I'm not a heavy guitar player. I don't play guitar at all. You know what I'm saying? So, just go through those. Now let's go to the rock. I tried to shoot for a rock type of loop. And then, ooh, you can hear my voice right there. So some people use it like this too. Let me turn it off though. All right, and same thing applies. Let's just go to crunch and start with American OD. Some of these names are just badass, dude. Like, dude, I could never. You got me saying dude now. Like, dude, that got me saying dude. I could never achieve that sound. Let's play before. So that sounds good. I don't know if that's like a Les Paul or what that is, but if I add this. Woo! What else they got? Yeah, I'm just noticing that every time I change it, there's a different amp changing. It's accomplishing different sounds through the different amps, the knobs, and the effects, the stomp. So, I mean, dude, this is like a virtual masterpiece. So, it's awesome. Awesome. Last but not least, the bass. Let me just bring in the loop bar for that. And let's go drag and drop. And let's go to bass preset. And let's try this. It's more like a smoother bass. Nice. Before. After. Next one. Bass in your living room. Wow. I mean, that's awesome because, like, those are hard things to achieve. So now you know you will achieve it inside of Ampire. When you're struggling, just mess with it. Volume knob. Some of these are not it, but some of these submarine bass. Ooh, some of these are it though. Tube Dreamer. You know what I'm saying? Like, tap in. So that's how you do it. That's Ampire. Thank you for watching. What I'm about to do is just go ahead and do it for all these effects. So hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell after you subscribe for real. It doesn't hurt. So I'm about to go through all these, whether it be vocal or whether it be, because look, if I did a vocal track, I'm gonna show you guys how serious I am. I'm gonna just add a quick track real quick, vocal, and just do real quick a mono. And I'm about to go to the Ampire. Just drag and drop. Yeah. Hold on, that's bass. I don't know if it's crunch. Crunchitize me, Captain. Hold on, let me turn off my audition. Crunchitize me, Captain. Yeah. They don't want no problems. Yeah. So I'ma do my thing. Yeah. Look, I'ma do my thing. Hey. See, it don't matter which tone I want to use. I can use this tone. It don't matter. So this thing does work. This thing works. Yeah, baby, yeah. Hey, it's your boy Z-Fly, man. I'm signing up out of here, man. I'm gone. Showed y'all this way, man. I'm gone. Hold on. Oh, yeah. Let me get up out of here. Go.